So I did swatches last week of this. I know I never did that. So I did swatches of this. I cleaned up the table and so I did swatches of everything. I just bought this. Since BYS discontinued the nail polishes for the berry collection, I was just looking up berry scented polishes and this popped up and they said some of these were available at Target. So these are called piggy paints. They're made for children. You know, this little piggy went to market, this little piggy went home. And so this mother was afraid of all the chemicals in the nail polish, and her daughter wanted her nails painted. So she came up with a nail polish that's water based and doesn't have all the chemicals in it. And there, some of them, she's got like different stuff in there, and she did a scented collection. And oh my goodness, I wanted to get them all, but I had there's something's up with the site and like it's you can place an order but it's saying customer login and it doesn't have like a registration. I'm gonna assume you have to make your first purchase and then you can register. I don't know, but I went to Target. I was looking for some. It was like a facial cleanser. I think it was facial cleanser and and body lotion. They didn't have it. You have to order it. You know how that is. You gotta have a $35 minimum. Blah blah blah. But I found these little sample. These are well, not a sample. They're just little mini sizes, and it was four for $10, whereas a regular size one is $5. And oh my gosh, I wanted to get almost all the scented ones. But I just said, you know what? Right now I don't want to deal with it. And maybe I'll wait till my PayPal turns over or whatever. But I did get grape. It has grape, watermelon, strawberry, and blueberry. So it's got a purple, a red, a pink, and a blue. And eventually I would like to get the ones that have the other berries. They have like a regular berry. Like I think they have like two more berries and just a bunch like banana and coconut, stuff like that. So anyway, it's called Picky Paints. And they sell some of that. I got that at Target. And then I just love the packaging. I heard they have it. I think Walmart put them out. I haven't found it yet, but Walmart put them out. I'm still looking for that Walmart Lip Smacker exclusive eyeshadow. I can't find it when you try to order it. But anyway, I heard that Walmart. If I had known Walmart was going to put them out, but then again, would I have found it? I probably just would have gotten one or two things in the collection. But the packaging is adorable. I haven't even taken this one out because I already know the mascara is going to be crap. Most mascaras are crap. And then what I really, really wanted was the sponge because it was a new color. It was pink. And I leave them in the box because I like the packaging until, whenever I get to them. All right, so this one came with, it's crazy. I just bought this one for Halloween, Rose and Slay. It's like a pinky nude. It's more, or maybe a purpley, a very soft purple color, soft pink color. Yeah, it's because I think you had to do $25 to get free shipping. And all I wanted was like two or three things from the Halloween collection. So I got this. And then it came out later in the new packaging. But look at that packaging. Isn't it cute? Ooh, my hand. And then it came out with pearlescent pink. The pearlescent pink, which is the regular line. I didn't swatch these because these are from the regular line that they've had for a while. But when I look at this does not look like my pearlescent pink. Unless I'm thinking about a different pink. But yeah, it's more of a warm toned color. But the packaging is adorable. I know I don't have this. They call this something pink, and it is looks more like a nude to me. Tickled pink. Look at that pretty packaging. I think COVID just messed everybody up, and they're just trying to get rid of stuff. I don't have this either. This is probably the only that this and the nail polish I don't have. It's called Sweet Glaze. It comes in a kit for like $15 or $12 something, and then I added the sponge to make it $15 to get the free shipping. And I'm really excited about. I've been wanting this berry for like 2 or 3 years. So it came broken, this one, and I just told the guy, look, a small refund I think is, more than fair, and he gave me a small refund, so I thought that was really great. I think he gave me like a $3 refund, and it was like $13, so I thought that was more than fair. I did swatches of this. This smells so good. This really does smell like berries. This is the one that was discontinued, and I found it on eBay. I love these colors. I just love these colors. And it smells like berries too. Better, more than the peach. The peach didn't have that strong thing. Now, I thought this was going to be scented, but it's not. It just smells like the tin. I don't really like that smell. But the colors in here look more warm to me. Not really like the other ones. I guess these are warm berry colors. I guess for me, it would probably I could probably do more neutrally looks with that. This one is a little bit nicer. This one I like better because it's got a lot of it's got like 6 frosted and 6 matte, and it's got the black. So this one has a little bit more cool tones than the other one. And look at this. This packaging is so nice. They put up they have a box, and then they put it's like a cover because it comes off. And then you open up the box, and I got the rest of the berry collection before they discontinue it completely. This is really pretty. It's a beautiful purpley, like a lavender highlighter. Very nice. And then it comes with a blush trio and a highlighter trio, but to be honest, that's 2 blushes and a highlighter. And then these are just highlighters. Very pretty. Supposed to be berry scented. Yes, it is lightly scented. So that's the blush trio, but it's really just 2 blushes and a highlighter. Lightly scented, and these are the highlighters. Very pretty. And then it came with 2 lip glosses, like a darker berry and a lighter berry, but this is just pink. To me, the other one's more of a magenta-y purple. Yes, it does. It is lightly scented. This is a little mini eyeshadow set. Yes, it is also lightly scented. I like these colors because it's got purple. These are just the glitters. They're just gel. It's crap. If you can just dip your finger and just pat it lightly, but it's gonna make everything crease. So again, what I would use this for is to put my real glitter on, to hold the real glitter. And that it works for me. It doesn't crease that way. So, although some people said that they use eyelash glue, and that like really helps it to stay and not crease. And I had gotten in my Sugarpill collection, and it is her 10th anniversary, and she went with a gold. And these are like softer colors, very pigmented. So I'm looking forward to trying out that. So there was a huge pill box. It was over $200, and that was with a discount. And I just didn't feel like getting into that kind of debt. So I just picked something that came up to 100 so I could get my 6 months to pay. And so I got that, and this is a gorgeous, like a periwinkle. It's like I guess you could call it a periwinkle. It looks kind of blue, but it's got like purple, like a pink purple chrome to it. It's very pretty. So I did do swatches of that. And I picked out this is a lip color that is just like it. It's that periwinkle with the blue with the pinky purple shimmer to it. Very pretty. And I believe these two are glosses. Um, this it was described as a watermelon color. I really like watermelon colors. Look good on all skin tone, skin shades. Doesn't matter if you're a fall, winter, spring, or autumn. I said autumn, summer. um, yeah, these kinds of colors complement all shades, just like coral and teal complements all shades. And then this is like a white with a pink sparkle. Very, very pretty. And it's also a gloss, if I'm not mistaken. Because I think I got one of the lip gloss and two of the glosses. I'm pretty sure. But I would have to double check that on the website. So, yeah. So I just wanted to show you everything I've gotten. This is over the past couple of months that I've gotten some of these. Like my Valentine and my box from BYS. I got recently. But the rest of it was over the course of the last 3 months that I got. And yeah. So yeah, so that's it. I just wanted to show you what I have gotten. Some of these were my Christmas present type of thing, but just show you everything I've gotten and ordered over this is probably since Black Friday to now. So yeah, so I just want to let you know, and I will see you next week with probably another one of the neon colors. All right. Mwah.